Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one, and you got about sine AS squared plus 2 sine AS cosine AS plus cosine AS squared. We know that sine AS squared plus cosine AS squared, you got about number 1. This is about trigonometric identity. So 1 divided by sine AS divided by sine AS. So we will have about 1 over sine AS plus 2 cosine AS. This one we have cosecant of AS. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosecant of AS, you got about negative 1 over a ln of the absolute value of cosecant of AS plus cotan AS. This one we will have about 2 over a sine AS, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.